Welcome to the LabWare LIMS certification program by MaxMunus. In today's highly regulated laboratory environments, organizations require accurate data management, streamlined workflows, and complete compliance with industry standards. Laboratory Information Management Systems, that is LIMS, commonly known as LIMS, have become an essential part of modern laboratories across pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, healthcare, food and beverage, environmental testing, chemical manufacturing, and research organizations. Among the leading LIMS solutions available today, LabWare LIMS stands out as one of the most powerful and widely adapted enterprise platforms. This certification program is designed to help professionals develop practical expertise in implementing, configuring, and managing LabWare LIMS applications. In this video, we will walk you through everything you need to know about the LabWare LIMS certification, from its fundamentals and course curriculum to career opportunities and certification preparation strategies. So let's begin. Agenda: Overview of LabWare LIMS, fundamental concepts, who should pursue LabWare LIMS certification, prerequisites, course content. Choose MaxMunus for certification success. Why choose LabWare LIMS certification? Essential technical skills, LabWare LIMS learning and certification tracks, technical implementation learning path, LabWare LIMS data governance workflow, certification format and structure, certification exam details, certification preparation roadmap, effective exam preparation strategy, industry recognition and global value, career advancement opportunities, professional growth and salary potential, conclusion, and contact info. Overview of LabWare LIMS. LabWare LIMS is a comprehensive enterprise solution used to manage laboratory operations, samples, testing processes, and data efficiently. It automates laboratory workflows, improves data accuracy, and ensures compliance with regulatory standards such as FDA 21 CFR Part 11, ISO 17025, and GXP. LabWare integrates laboratory instruments, ERP systems, MES, ELN, and other enterprise applications to streamline laboratory operations. Organizations across pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, healthcare, food and beverage, environmental testing, chemicals, and manufacturing rely on LabWare LIMS to improve productivity and ensure quality control. Its flexibility allows business to customize workflows according to laboratory requirements, making it one of the preferred LIMS platforms worldwide. Next is the fundamental concepts. Before learning LabWare LIMS, it's very important to understand its core concepts. You will learn how laboratories organize samples, manage testing workflows, assign tasks, maintain specifications, generate reports, and ensure complete traceability. The certification also covers laboratory master data, user roles, security, then workflow automation, result validation, electronic signatures, audit logs, and quality assurance processes. Now, understanding these foundational concepts makes it easier to configure and support enterprise laboratory environments. Next, who should pursue LabWare LIMS certification? This certification is ideal for professionals looking to build or advance their careers in laboratory informatics. It is suitable for laboratory analysts, quality assurance professionals, quality control specialists, LIMS administrators, software developers, validation engineers, business analysts, system administrators, implementation consultants, pharmaceutical professionals, biotechnology experts, and IT professionals supporting laboratory systems. Fresh graduates and professionals looking to build a career in life sciences, pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, and healthcare IT. Prerequisites. So, there are no mandatory prerequisites to begin learning LabWare LIMS. However, a basic understanding of laboratory processes and quality management systems, familiarity with databases, SQL, and enterprise software concepts is beneficial. Knowledge of laboratory testing workflows and sample management is an added advantage. No prior labware experience is mandatory. Beginners can start with the fundamentals before moving to advanced implementation topics. Course content. Overview of LabWare LIMS 8, understanding prerequisites of LabWare LIMS servers, list of software components to be installed, step by step guide on installation and configuration of LabWare LIMS 8 application, database, and web servers, understanding relation between app, DB, and web server, managing users and handling active user sessions in LabWare LIMS 8, understanding user administrative settings, groups, roles, and privileges, overview of investigating issues in active sessions folders using debugger and AMP, LIMS query window, understanding different debug options to check errors in routines, using query window to execute SQL queries in LIMS database, creating schedulers in LabWare LIMS 8, configuring different types of schedulers, understanding properties of a scheduler, configuring scheduler for calibration or EM module, working with subroutines, menu routines, format calculations, purpose of subroutine, menu routine, and format calculations in LabWare LIMS, understanding LIMS basic language, using various built-in functions for conditions and loops, understanding PowerShell scripting in LabWare LIMS 8, practical session to write script for extraction of result from any raw data, TXT, CSV, or PDF file, practical session to understand various built-in functions for drafting a parser script. Extracting results from PDF documents using parser, subroutine, and LabWare LIMS scheduler. Practical session to create parser, subroutine, and scheduler to auto extract result from PDF document. Extracting results from serial port based instruments. Practical session to create parser to read data from electronic balance. Introduction to calibration module in LabWare LIMS, understanding instrument master, creating calibration events, mapping product with instrument master, and creating scheduler for calibration and AMP, preventive maintenance events. Next slide. Choose MaxMunus for certification success. MaxMunus has established itself as a trusted corporate training and consulting organization, delivering high quality technical education to professionals across the globe. Our LabWare LIMS certification program is designed and delivered by experienced industry experts who have worked on real world implementation projects. Learners receive instructor led online training, hands on lab sessions, project based learning, interview preparation, certification guidance, recorded sessions, flexible batch timings, and dedicated post training support. Our objective is to ensure every learner develops practical skills that can be immediately applied in the workplace. Why choose LabWare LIMS certification? Laboratories worldwide are accelerating their digital transformation initiatives, increasing the demand for professionals with expertise in laboratory information management systems, that is, LIMS. LIMS certification validates your technical knowledge, demonstrates your implementation capabilities, and enhances your professional credibility. Certified professionals are often preferred for implementation, support, validation, administration, and consulting roles because organizations value proven expertise in managing regulated laboratory environments. Next is the essential technical skills for LabWare LIMS certification. Now, throughout this certification journey, you will develop valuable technical skills, including LabWare configuration, workflow automation, system administration, sample lifecycle management and laboratory automation, SQL fundamentals, database management and report generation, API integration, instrument connectivity, troubleshooting, and regulatory compliance. These skills prepare you to confidently work on enterprise level LabWare LIMS implementations. LabWare LIMS learning and certification tracks. The certification program is structured to support learners at different experience levels. The foundation track introduces laboratory concepts and labware basics. Administrator track focuses on configuration, security, and user management. The developer track covering scripting, customization, integrations, and advanced implementations. And the last, the implementation track emphasizes deployment methodologies, validation, migration, testing, and production support. Learners can choose this track that aligns with their career objectives. Next comes the technical implementation learning path. The implementation learning path begins with understanding business requirements and laboratory processes. From there, learners explore system configuration, workflow design, master data creation, user setup, sample management, instrument connectivity, testing procedures, reporting, validation, deployment, and ongoing production support. This structured approach reflects real implementation projects followed by organizations worldwide. Next slide is the LabWare LIMS data governance workflow. Data integrity is one of the most important aspects of laboratory operations. LabWare LIMS ensures complete control over laboratory information through standardized workflows, role based access, audit trails, electronic signatures, version control, approval processes, and regulatory compliance mechanisms. This governance framework helps organizations maintain accurate, secure, and traceable laboratory data throughout its life cycle. Next comes the certification format and structure of LabWare LIMS. Let me explain. The certification assessment evaluates both theoretical understanding and practical knowledge. Candidates are tested on labware architecture, workflow configuration, laboratory processes, reporting administration, implementation concepts, troubleshooting, and compliance standards. Examination may include multiple choice questions, scenario based assessments, and practical implementation exercises, depending on the certification level. Next comes the certification exam details of LabWare LIMS. Before attempting the certification exam, candidates should complete the recommended training modules and practical exercises. Exam is designed to assess problem solving abilities, implementation knowledge, configuration expertise, and understanding of laboratory workflows. Careful preparation with consistent practice significantly improves certification success rates. Next comes the certification preparation roadmap. An effective preparation roadmap starts with mastering laboratory fundamentals before progressing to labware configuration and workflow management. Practice each module through hands-on exercises. Understand sample management, security, reporting, validation, and system administration. Review implementation scenarios. Troubleshoot common issues and complete mock assessments. Regular revision combined with practical experience provides the strongest foundation for certification success. Next slide comes the effective exam preparation strategy for LabWare LIMS certification. To maximize your exam performance, create a structured study schedule and focus on consistent daily learning. Spend time practicing configuration tasks rather than only reading theory. Review documentation, complete lab exercises, revisit challenging topics, and participate in discussions with instructors whenever possible. Mock tests help identify knowledge gaps and improve confidence before the final certification examination. And remember, practical understanding is equally as important as theoretical knowledge. Next comes the industry recognition and global value. LabWare is widely adopted by global pharmaceutical companies, biotechnology, chemical, and healthcare organizations. Certified professionals are recognized for their expertise in laboratory digital transformation, supports careers in regulated industries requiring compliance with international standards. Certification also demonstrates the ability to implement and manage enterprise laboratory solutions effectively. This certification enhances your professional profile in both the domestic and international job markets. Next comes the career advancement opportunities. LabWare LIMS certification opens the door to a variety of rewarding career opportunities. Professionals can pursue roles such as LabWare LIMS consultant, LIMS administrator, validation engineer, laboratories informatics consultant, application support engineer, business analyst, technical consultant, and solution architect. As organizations continue investing in laboratory automation and digital transformation, the demand for skilled labware professionals continues to grow. With experience and advanced expertise, professionals can expect strong career progression, leadership opportunities, and competitive salary packages across global industries. Next comes the professional growth and salary potential. High demand for skilled labware professionals in pharmaceutical and life sciences industries, opportunities to work with multinational organizations and global implementation projects, attractive salary packages with excellent career progression into senior consulting and solution architecture roles, continuous demand driven by laboratory automation, compliance requirements, and digital transformation initiatives. Next comes the conclusion of LabWare LIMS. LabWare LIMS is a powerful laboratory information management system that enables organizations to automate laboratory operations, improve data accuracy, and maintain compliance with industry regulations. Earning a LabWare LIMS certification validates your expertise in laboratory workflows, system configuration, data management, and implementation best practices, making you a valuable asset in pharmaceutical, biotechnology, healthcare, environmental, and manufacturing industries. Through comprehensive training, hands on projects, and real world implementation scenarios, you can develop the practical skills needed to successfully deploy and manage LabWare LIMS solutions. Whether you are starting your career or looking to advance into specialized laboratory informatics roles, this certification enhances your technical knowledge, expands career opportunities, and prepares you for the growing demand for skilled labor limbs professionals. With expert guidance from MaxMunus, you can confidently build the knowledge and experience required to achieve certification success and excel in today's digital laboratory environment. Next comes the contact information. So, if you are ready to begin your LabWare LIMS certification journey, our team at MaxMunus is here to support you every step of the way. Contact us today to learn more about upcoming training batches, certification guidance, and personalized learning programs. We look forward to helping you build a successful career in LabWare LIMS. Thank you for watching this presentation.